Do you deserve to call yourself a hip-hop fan?
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left.
The gangsters all across the world,
Still
hitting them corners and them lolos, girl.
Still
taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got it. I am in the place where I come let go. In Miami, the bass and the sunset low. Every day like a Mardi Gras, everybody party all day.
Gon' give it to ya. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to ya. Knock, knock, open up the door.
Catching keys from 4 C's, rolling in MPVs. Every week we make 40 G's. Yo, man.
Hot, sicker than your average. Pop a twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink.
Don't push me, cause I'm close to the